Hello and welcome to this review of the Asian Breakout Forex trading system. Today I will show you how to easily increase your Forex trading profits. I am going to teach you Asian Breakout Forex trading system and money management strategy to increase your profit. The Asian Session Breakout Forex trading strategy allows you to trade breakout trades upon the opening of the London trading session. The Forex market during the Asian trading session is usually thin and does not much volume and volatility. Because of this, you will generally tend to see the Asian market will be in consolidation traveling in a narrow range. But as soon as the London and European Forex market opens, the volatility and the volume increases and this causes price to break out of the Asian session market consolidation. This Asian Session Breakout Forex trading strategy is designed to capture that breakout. This Forex system is similar to the London Breakout Forex trading strategy, but in this video we will use some great supporting indicators to catch trade signals accurately. And now let's go to the rules. At least 1 hour before the London market opens, you need to identify the highest high and lowest low of the Asian trading session. The ideal situation would be that the Asian session was traveling in a tight range during that day. If the Asian session was in a good trend and not in a consolidation during the day, then if you tried to find the range, it would be too high. Which means your stop loss would have to be very large to cater for that wide range. So only target days where you really see tight trading range during the Asian trading session. To make a buy position with this strategy, the rules are: 1. Price upward and cross above the high of Asian trading session. 2. All three moving average upward, the moving average 8 above the moving average 13 above the moving average 21. 3. All two Fisher MACD green and above zero line. 4. Day impulse upward, which means gold line upward and above white line. The sell rules for this strategy are: 1. Price downward and cross below the low of Asian trading session. 2. All three moving average downward, which means the moving average 8 below moving average 13 below moving average 21. 3. All two Fisher MACD red and below zero line. 4. Day impulse downward, which mean the gold line downward and below white line. I am all sought to show you how to master your money management. 1. A Forex trader must possess the habit of pre-analyzing all the risks before putting money into a trade. For this purpose, he must be a risk manager first. Only after he's totally satisfied with the risks associated with the trade, should he then invest his money. Additionally, one must escape from overtrading in Forex, as this is a course of action usually followed by traders with no plan. 2. This is an essential element of Forex trade money management. Before trading in Forex, the investor must systematically adjust and frame a position chart with either a Forex position size calculator, or his own calculations. After adjusting the pips and minutes chart according to your desired dollar value, you can finalize it and then follow as planned. If your edge is not present, don't trade, but when it's in your favor, go for it wholeheartedly. 3. You must cut short all the activities and plans which are resulting in trading losses. Instead, add on any new plans which will bring more profit, or at least better results. That's it for now. Enjoy trading with the Asian Breakout Forex trading strategy. To download this strategy, click the link below in description.